Welcome to Left Brain Law of Attraction. I'm Dan Walper, and this is today's frequently asked question. Today's question is there something stopping me from attracting my dreams? Yeah, it's possible that there might be something stopping you from attracting your dreams if you have blocked energy. So if you have any blocked energy within your system, you have to let it surface, let the emotions come out, and clear the energy, clear the path for new energy. All right, that's today's frequently asked question. If you have questions of your own, please let me know and I'd be happy to answer them. If you'd like to learn more, you can check out my book at bestlawofattractionbook.com. And remember to just keep going. You're doing a really good job. Take care, and we'll see you again next time.